Welcome to Concrete Hot Tub Pad Part 2. What I'm doing right now is straightening out a bow in this board. I tied a string along the inside of the form, keeping in mind to tighten the string so that it prevents snags. This will also help you see where there's any bends or twists in the wood. I am now putting stakes along the outside of the form to pull the board straight. As you can see along the string line, there's about a 1/4 inch gap between the string and the board, meaning that the board itself is not straight. You can bend wood with stakes to straighten it as needed. Basically, you can manipulate the wood any direction that you want. This will take a bit of practice, so you just have to have a lot of patience when you're practicing or doing something like this. I've used sand on this project as a base. I find that it drains well and also creates a great compaction. It pretty much self-compacts. The sand's great for raking and grading. What I'm going for here is about a 6-inch thick pad and a nice flat base. Alright guys, so compacting was done. I just didn't get a video of it. And now I'm starting on rebar. The rebar I'm using is 10M rebar. And I use steel twist ties to tie the rebar together. On this video, I wanted to show you guys how to pour a concrete pad yourself. It can be done, but I mean, you want to definitely try smaller projects before taking on even a project like this yourself. It's really about the timing, consistency, and putting down the concrete is very important, and not to spend too much time doing other things. I'm consistently putting down one wheelbarrow at a time, and really not taking many breaks, just trying to continuously keep putting the concrete down. Now this concrete has heat in it, and I'm pouring it fairly dry, so it's going to set up a lot quicker. Now anytime I pour any pads or anything, I always start at the furthest point from where you're pouring concrete. So if you're bringing the concrete from the front of the yard, you want to bring it to the furthest point of the back of the yard. That way you can start working yourself backwards. Alright, so then I start pouring the concrete around the perimeter of pad so that I can start flattening out the edges. I can start getting a feel for the pad and start filling that pad back in and getting this concrete poured and done.